Chigesi artists that prepared their performance to give to you. I would love to see Alien Skin performing, but I don't want to see Alien Skin performing if I don't see the Chigesi artists performing. So I don't mind if Alien comes. I don't mind if whoever he came with came. But that is not going to happen unless we have Chigesi performers performing here tonight. Abachiga Mario. Abachiga Mario. Abachiga Mario. So can I have Chigesi performers on stage? Manyali kwagala nnyo kino sigenda kiteeka on side. Twagala nnyo tukutya n'okutya. Tuwayingira ku stage. Abaana baffe bagenda bbala. Okitegeera? Saagala olowooza nti kulemesa. I love you so much. Muwe. Ne bw'omuwa mwana ono papa talina kyagenda okungamba ekisitasobola okuddamu. But what I'm saying is, Chigesi performance today have got to shine. Now, about Chigesi abaliyo abagala okuperforminga mwe gyemuli. Because nze nganze njagala ndabe Saakisolo nga performinga in front of you. Njagala kulage. Njagala baana baffe bakulage. Anti waseleetu kyekizibu okimanyi waseleetu kirina abaana baffe abagenda okulaga ekiseki ky'emumaaso. Can we start this music? Saakisolo tuweereze music. Saakisolo tuweereze music. Ono omwana ono gwe twesimisa atugamba tunabe